A little before video of my exhaust on a 2003 GMC Sierra 1500 HD. So this has a 6-liter dual exhaust on it. It's a little cold start. It's all factory. This is cut right before the stock muffler. I'll show you here. Right there. But it still sounds pretty quiet for being stock. Going with the 3-inch in and 3-inch out. I think it's a Jones exhaust, if I remember. Part number MF2469. But with the factory exhaust, factory's 2 3/4 inch. I'm just gonna have it go in the 3-inch, so about an 1/8 inch gap on each side. You're gonna weld it up, fit it up pretty good. Just basic 3-inch turn downs, butt it up, maybe turn it down a little bit this way, right underneath. So pretty simple, inexpensive setup. So let's take it to the shop and get it done. All right, got the exhaust done. Didn't take too long, just about an hour. Here you can see, got the muffler up in there. Got the dual exhaust, dual 3-inch in, dual 3-inch out. It's got it dumped right before the exhaust right there. Everything else is factory stock. Got the manifolds, converters, everything up in there still. So do a little quick startup. Sounds pretty good.